how to attract more profitable leads in your online business, attraction marketing, lead generation 2020. I'm going to give you 3 things that you need to know of how to attract more profitable leads in 2020 and beyond. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video today. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and talk about it. I'm going to go ahead and go step by step of how you can attract more leads in your business, because I know you're thirsty and you're wanting more leads to grow your business, because leads is so important in any business out there. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more up-to-date information of growing your brand, growing your business, and being more influential online. So let me go ahead and dive into the content and give you the 3 things you need to know to grow in your profitable business with leads. So the first thing you need to know and really think about is that choose the right market and make sure there's a market for your product and service. So you don't want to choose just any market or any service, because it may not be enough people out there that actually want that product or service. So for an example, there are 3 things underneath that you need to know in terms of how do you select a market. So the first thing you need to go ahead and do is no particular order of these things, is that you want to choose a product and service that's easily reachable. So if you have a product and service that's easily reachable, you want to make sure that they can reach to you and you can reach to them. Now, social media definitely help tie that together now, because a lot of times you can set up an offer, or you can email somebody a particular offer, or you can run some ads, Facebook ads or YouTube ads that pretty much explain what you're doing. So that's something to think about, making sure you're actually easily reachable to that particular customer or prospect. The second thing is you want to make sure that there's actually a rational, passionate market for that service or product. So it's, for an example, the pet niche is a definite irrational, passionate market. You know, so many people have pets and dogs and cats. I know we have a Yorkie, and we're really irrational and passionate about him. So we make sure he's taken care of. We make sure he has food and water. So we're always thinking about different ways of how we can take care of him better. So we're very irrational, passionate, and there's a lot of people like that as well. Another one is the dating and relationship. Dating and a relationship market is very passionate, because there's so many people out there that wants date. There's a lot of people that's single on a Friday night, on a Saturday night, and they want to date. They want to go ahead and have relationships. So that's another irrational, passionate market that you can think about. So just think about those type of things, that you want to have something that's great in numbers as well. Choose a market that's great in numbers. You don't want to market in smaller numbers, because you'll limit yourself. Why not a market that's great in numbers, like the dating relationship niche? That is great in numbers. What about the losing weight and fitness? That is really big in numbers, because so many people's out there that want to lose weight and they want to go ahead or get stronger. You know, that's a big in numbers. That's why the fitness industry is doing very well online and offline, because people always are looking to get an edge. And also the make money online niche is definitely big, because people are always looking for ways of making an income from home. So those are 3 irrational, passionate markets out there that you can really think about and go ahead and take advantage of. So number 1, choose the right market. Number 2 you want to think about is you want to get really clear on exactly what the problems is in that particular market. The top problems, the top 3 problems. You don't have to nail the top one, but you do need to nail a very important problem within that market. So prime example, I'm going to go back to the dating relationship market for a minute. So if my problem, or the problem out there, is that there's people out there that want to date and they want to be in relationships. If I have an offer for them to go ahead and sign up, they can fill out their profile, and then that's going to connect them with prospects to date on a Friday night or Sunday afternoon, then that is a problem that I'm solving with a sales funnel or offer to them. And so now all of a sudden, now I'm going to get all these applications because I solved a problem within that particular market. And so that's what I'm talking about, is that you want to make sure you have, you solving problems within that market or even service. So think about that. That's number 2, is making sure you have that, because that's so important to be able to go ahead and do. And number three thing, this is one of my favorite things here. Make sure you give something away for free in exchange for the prospect's email address or even phone number. So for an example, if I've got a free training or free video or free webinar of how to get more dates on the weekend, well, that would basically solve a problem, and that prospect will probably be more interested in giving up an email address just for getting the information that I'm giving it to them. And then check this out. Once I give the information to the prospect, then I'm building my email list, which is the most prized possession I'll have in my business. But then also I can go ahead and point them or point him or her to my sales offer. So they're going to go through my sales funnel. They're building my email list over here, but then over here, they're going to my sales offer. So I'm going to offer something for them to solve a problem even deeper, or to solve a problem period in that particular market. So that's something you want to go ahead and do. Get something away for free in exchange for just a simple email address, phone number. I would stay with the email address because it's so much easier to obtain. And then that just goes to your basically to your email list. And then you can go ahead and email them information about your product, your services, things like that. So you can go ahead and connect with them on a deeper level. So think about that, how to obtain more profitable leads in your business, how to attract more leads in your business is getting crystal clear on those top three things we talked about. That is so important because a lot of times people choose a market or choose a product and a service, but it's not really a market for it. And that's the first thing, making sure there's a market for that product and service, making sure there's a big in numbers, irrational, passionate. And number two, make sure you get crystal clear on the problems with that market. And number three, you always want to think about giving something away to get something back in return. And getting return is just an email address to build your list and to go ahead and build your brand. So go ahead and take advantage of those type of information I go ahead and told you. And right below this video, I do have a free gift of how it will help you obtaining more leads, grow your brand, and go ahead and grow your business today. I've got more information at the bottom of this video, so click on the link below this video here. Also, I have an attraction marketing course that's already down there as well, if it can help you out to grow your attraction marketing efforts each and every single time. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification when you get more videos just like this. And I'll see you on the next video.